So I made it to Yokohama. Welcome to Chinatown. All right, so today we're going to be in Chinatown. Just going to walk through, show you around, and then stop and eat periodically as we're walking. So I hope you enjoy. Right now we're just walking down the street, just looking for something that catches our eye. You can see they have it decorated with all the lanterns, and I mean, it definitely feels like Chinatown. All right, next up is trying these world champion meat buns. Two. Yeah, two. Thank you. All right, I got the world champion pork bun. It's real. Got to give it a taste. I like this one. It's not super sweet like some of those pork buns. This one's got it's a lot of juice in there. Oh yeah, I see why that's a world champion bun. Looks pretty good. I love their fruit on a stick. It's like a candied fruit. Usually it's grapes or strawberries. Here's some duck. I think those are getting ready. All right, the first place we found had a buffet. It's 3,380 yen. It's another 385 yen for the drink bar, but you can see it has a lot of options. They have a front and back of this menu. You can eat as much as you want, and then you would use this tablet to place your order. So we have our first batch of things coming. You can order 6 items at a time, so that's what we have coming to start. All right, so at this first place, we got all kind of stuff. We got some roasted pork and noodles. Got some fried chicken over here. Some chicken spring rolls. Got some gyoza. Can't really see it in the camera, but gyoza. Got some, what is that, pan-fried lotus root. And some shalam bao, which is soup dumplings. So that's our first 6 items. Gonna start with a spring roll. Oh yeah, it's perfectly fried. Now I'm gonna go for a piece of fried chicken. Looks like chicken thigh. Very tender. It's got a real good batter. That's good fried chicken. Now we got the pork and noodles. The noodles and the broth's a little bland. Roasted pork's good though. Now we got the gyoza, pan fried. That's real good. It's pork. Basically, it's just pork and onions. Now for the soup dumpling. Normally, you just bite the tip of it off so you can get the juice out without burning yourself. Not quite as full as you're used to seeing, but still can be good. All right, up next is the steamed rice roll with shrimp. It comes in soy sauce. Looks pretty good. I like the one like this that has beef. They don't offer it here, so I'm stuck with shrimp. It's usually drowning in soy sauce. Here they put some soy, but it's not very much. Some slippery suckers. Maybe I should just pour some on it. There we go. Oh yeah. Much better with extra soy. You can see, basically just a rice dumpling. And it does have some actually pretty large shrimp. Pretty tasty. One of the better things I had from here, besides the fried chicken. All right, we ate the sit-down restaurant. It's not really my favorite thing to do in Chinatown. I really like to go to these places that you just walk up to and then you just stand and eat right there at the stall that you bought the food from. All right, so now we're gonna try a Taiwan Donut. It's a strawberry donut. Basically, it's a plain donut, and she just dipped it in a strawberry powdered sugar is what it looked like. That's good. It almost tastes like a funnel cake with the strawberry powdered sugar. Yeah, it's really good. Not bad for 320 yen. Gonna check out this panda store. All right, thank you. All right, this place had some egg tarts. You can see, let me get one out. You can see how flaky it is. You got the egg. That's good, not real sweet, slightly sweet. It's got a good custard taste. Oh yeah, this is a winner. All right, well that's a wrap over here in Yokohama at Chinatown. Everything was delicious. It's impossible to eat everything here. There's just so many places to eat, but we did our best to at least give you several options to try if you ever make it this way. Oop, I didn't have my microphone on. Messed up. I was ready, but I wasn't ready. I didn't have my microphone on. All right, about to jump in here and get it over. Were these pork or what? You can turn it off.
Jay, hey.